Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to do this origami heart with two birds. For this I'll be taking a rectangle piece of paper. First take a square sheet of paper and cut it into half. I've taken 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper. We can create two such hearts in one square. First fold it into half, then create a cross crease with both the layers. Now open the pre-creasing. Now fold the paper into half horizontally. Bring two sides to the center crease. Now the pre-creasing is done. Let's collapse the module. Open the paper and hold in this triangle and collapse it as shown. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Now open the flap and bring these two sides to the center crease. Fold the small triangle inside and open it. Lift the flap and collapse into petal fold. Fold this into half and work on the back flap like as shown. Repeat the same thing for the other side. Now the model will look like this. Fold the triangle down as shown. Do the same thing on the back side. Let's do the bird's neck and the beak on this portion by inside reverse fold. This fold should be perpendicular to the bottom flap. Do the same thing for this side too. fold the center of the heart as demonstrated. Tuck in this portion as shown. Origami heart with 2 birds are done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.